The entire cryptocurrency industry is standing on a foundation of sand, built on promises that consistently fail to materialize. But there is one project, the Internet Computer Protocol, that is quietly constructing a foundation of bedrock. This isn't just another crypto story. This is an analysis of the most significant architectural shift in blockchain and why it represents the only viable path forward for a decentralized future. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It does not promote or endorse any financial product, investment, or cryptocurrency. All information presented here is based on publicly available sources and independent analysis. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own research before making any financial or technological decisions. Let's begin with a major strategic pivot happening right now. Recent discussions within the ICP ecosystem have revealed a profound organizational realignment within the DFINITY Foundation. This is not a downsizing born of weakness, but a deliberate recalibration for sustainability and long-term impact. The focus has shifted decisively from pure aggressive expansion to achieving operational excellence and, critically, real profitability. Insiders view this leaner, more agile structure as an essential evolution. A streamlined team means significantly reduced operational burn, which directly translates to healthier ecosystem fundamentals and less systemic selling pressure. While the protocol's revenue is demonstrating remarkable growth, projected to multiply many times over in the coming years, the mandate is now crystal clear. Efficiency is paramount. The next chapter for ICP is about translating its formidable technological advantage into tangible, sustainable economic success, with key initiatives like the Caffeine AI platform leading the charge. But to understand why this shift is so vital, you must first understand the monumental problem ICP is designed to solve, and the stark contrast it presents to the rest of the crypto space. A compelling perspective from within the community argues that we are on a global collision course, driven by the unchecked convergence of artificial intelligence and systemic cybersecurity failures. Our current digital infrastructure, reliant on centralized big tech clouds, is fundamentally insecure and unsustainable. The assessment is sobering. Among all the technologies in existence today, the Internet Computer Protocol appears uniquely architected with the functional toolkit needed to address these intertwined existential crises. This isn't just theoretical. The migration away from vulnerable centralized clouds is already beginning. Notably, Switzerland, the very nation where the DFINITY Foundation is headquartered, has issued guidance warning against reliance on big tech cloud providers for critical data. This is not a coincidence. It signals a growing recognition among sovereign nations that a new paradigm for secure, decentralized computation is not a luxury, but a necessity. The critique of the broader cryptocurrency industry that follows from this realization is brutal, but necessary. It posits that the majority of the space is engaged in a sophisticated game of perception management, where venture capitalists, media, and projects themselves chase fabricated metrics like inflated total value locked (TVL), rather than genuine utility. The industry, this argument goes, deliberately avoids the most important question. What real-world problem does your technology actually solve? Why? Because for most projects, the honest answer is none. The entire industry is a game of perception, not a search for solutions. The real criteria for judgment should be the scale and importance of the problems being addressed. The sector avoids this standard because it exposes an uncomfortable truth: that beyond ICP, there is a startling absence of fully functional sovereign products that offer genuine alternatives to legacy systems. Think about it. What other blockchain hosts a fully on-chain secure messaging application like OpenChat or a decentralized AI platform like Caffeine? Compare that to the reality of trading tokens with no utility on a so-called decentralized exchange that is itself hosted on Amazon Web Services. The contrast couldn't be more dramatic. One ecosystem is building a new internet. The rest are largely building complex financial casinos on old infrastructure. This brings us to a practical, immediate use case for ICP that every corporation and government on the planet must grapple with: data sovereignty and unbreakable backup. Cybersecurity doctrine mandates that critical data must have secure backups. If your primary data lives on Google Cloud or AWS, where is your backup? Trusting another centralized provider simply doubles the risk. The Internet Computer offers a superior alternative. Corporations can host encrypted, immutable backups of their most vital data directly on the public ICP network. They don't need to actively process it there yet. They simply need to know it resides in a place they truly own and control, on a network that is inherently secure by design, eliminating entire categories of traditional cyber threats. For this specific use case of sovereign data preservation, every other existing option is inferior. You don't need to outsource your security. You can own your infrastructure. The technological marvel that makes all of this possible is ICP's revolutionary subnet architecture. Unlike monolithic blockchains that congest and require costly disruptive upgrades, the Internet computer is designed for infinite scale. It achieves this through autonomous, sovereign subnets, independent blockchains that run in parallel, executing smart contracts at web speed. This architecture is orchestrated by the Network Nervous System, NNS, ICP's decentralized governance system, which automatically spins up new subnets as demand requires. The result? No network congestion, no chaotic hard forks, no painful migrations, and guaranteed uptime. Developers build their application once, deploy it to the ICP, and the network seamlessly handles the scaling. This is the promise of a true world computer, and it is already operational. The proof is in the unparalleled developer activity. Dominic Williams, founder of Dfinity, recently confirmed that there are now more developers building on the Internet computer at any given moment than on every other blockchain combined. This isn't just a statistic, it's a tidal wave of validation for the protocol's capabilities. Consider the trajectory. Flagship projects like Caffeine AI are still in active beta, with core features rolling out and mainstream marketing yet to even begin. The ecosystem is in its earliest, most nascent stage of adoption, yet it already hosts a more robust suite of genuine decentralized applications than the rest of the industry put together. This is why the current strategic shift within the Dfinity Foundation is so critical. It's about sharpening the spear for the coming decade. They are moving from proving the technology's possibility to ensuring its enduring presence and profitability. They are building not for the next crypto hype cycle, but for the inevitable moment when the world recognizes the untenable fragility of its current digital systems. The Internet Computer Protocol represents a fundamental bet that the future of the Internet will not be built on the compromised cloud servers of a few tech giants, but on a decentralized, secure, and sovereign global network. While the rest of crypto plays a financial game, ICP is engaged in a technological and philosophical mission to redefine the fabric of the web itself. If you are seeing this bigger picture, you understand why this moment is pivotal. The great reckoning for the crypto industry is coming, and it will separate narrative from infrastructure, speculation from utility. The Internet computer is not just participating in the crypto space, it is building the foundation for what comes after it. If you find this deep dive into the future of decentralized technology valuable, please support this channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.